NFTs is a relatively new thing for most people. It is also a very risky game since you can lose a lot of money, but we will get to that later. First, we will talk about what an NFT is. What is an NFT? It could be this, or maybe even this. Maybe not, but if you want the simple definition, an NFT is also known as a non-fungible token, or a non-replaceable token, in simpler terms. It is a unique and non-interchangeable unit of data. For example, anything digital, like an audio file, video, image, or a tweet. NFTs run on the cryptocurrency Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized currency that keeps getting produced, like regular money, but digital, and more secure. Decentralization means that there's no one who can control the currency, and Ethereum currency is run on something called the blockchain, which is a very secure system of recording data in a way that it makes it hard to hack, change, or cheat the system. The blockchain works by getting a request to start a transaction. For example, you sell an NFT. It is then broadcasted to the P2P network, or peer-to-peer network, which is like a distributed ledger, which means many computers have this document and they can validate this transaction, making it hard to hack since they would need to hack more than one ledger at once. Once a transaction is validated, the cryptocurrency, or NFT in our case, would be deposited into the account. Second, it's very risky. Although NFTs are 6 years old and their technology is secure, buying an NFT when it releases could either leave you in two boats: people liking the NFT, so it gains money, or they don't like it, so it drops in value. Cryptocurrency is just a token that anyone can buy, with no main appearance. But an NFT consists of different variables and factors that can either make the value rise or fall. Some include the certain mintage amounts, different appearances, if it's heavily detailed or not, the person who made it, and more. So, if someone labels an NFT as ugly, the NFT could drop in value. Third, NFT markets. There are many NFT marketplaces. Some include NBA Top Shot, which is a place where you can buy NBA moments. Or there's OpenSea, where you can make and sell your own NFT art. Here's a video YouTube thinks you might want to watch next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.